y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Annalisa Moreno, and if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so excited you guys are here with me today. Yes, the background looks a little bit different. I have my desk set up, and I was so excited because this is like my favorite place to be. I can do Bible study, I can do my makeup, this is my little spot. So I thought, what better place to film this tutorial than right here. I know it's nothing fancy, but you know what? It's my little spot. So I hope you like it. I hope you like the change of scenery as well. But like I said, welcome back. Today I'm going to be filming a lightweight bronzy look makeup tutorial, which is this little look I have right now. It's imperfect if you live somewhere where it's super, super hot. I live in Texas, and y'all, it's very hot out here. Very, very hot. But anywho, I used a couple different products. It is like medium coverage, so for some people it may not be lightweight enough, but for me this is what works in the heat, and I still get like a slight full glam effect, which I love. Oh, and also I have been trying out a new hairstyle. I have been rocking this middle part. Not too sure if I love it yet, but hey, let me know what you think. So if you're interested in checking out how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so let's get started. There is no shame in my no makeup game. Your girl's got some scars, but it's all good because we're going to cover this with some concealer. One of my new faves, the Kat Von D Super Brow Pomade. Y'all, this stuff is amazing. It glides right on, and a little goes a long, long way. As always, I love to go in with some concealer around my eyebrows just to brighten and define them. And voila, finished brows. Now time to cover up those pesky little scars. I love to make sure I'm blending with a damp sponge. I think it just leaves a really good finish, and can y'all just check out this concealer? It works wonders. Now we just want to create a clean slate for our eyeshadow. For the crease color, you're going to mix Peach Cobbler and Fresh Pick together and just run that through your crease with a tapered blending brush. You really want to drag this color combination from the outer to inner corner of your eye. Now go in with the color Peach Sangria and add that to your crease while dragging the color a little down into your lid. ColourPop's DGAF Super Shock Shadow is my favorite. Look at that shimmer. Now for some contour goodness. Okay, y'all, so this Wet n Wild contour stick was only like $2, and y'all, it is amazing. Okay, y'all, so I used to get super weirded out by these brushes until I got to try them for myself. This brush is from my makeup brush set, and it legit is like perfect for blending cream products. I have always had a hard time blending cream products until I got this brush, and y'all, life-changing. Now you just want to make sure you set all of those cream products. Lash time! And bam! The Fenty Beauty Highlighter in Hustle Baby gives the perfect summer glow. There you have it, babes. This is the finished look. Alright, y'all, so that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this bronzy, lightweight makeup look. For some people, it may not be like lightweight enough, but I'm telling you, this works for me, and I live in Texas, and y'all, it is hot out here, and it's very comfortable for me to wear throughout the day, even when it's like 105 degrees outside. So I really hope you loved it, and if you do give it a try and kind of like recreate it, make sure to let me know so I can see. But again, like I mentioned, this look is perfect for the summer heat. The BB cream and the concealers don't really feel cakey on your skin. They just kind of like mesh with your natural oils, and I like it. It works for me throughout the day, and I hope it works for you guys too. But anywho, I will have all of the products listed down below in the description box for you to check out. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. That way you can be the first to know when I upload. I will see you guys next time.